Hi, my name is Dave Crossley. I'm Head of Sales for Accuver Europe and Middle East. One of the products we're showcasing here at Mobile World Congress is XCAL-Emb. XCAL-Emb is a compact embedded network testing solution that enables real-time performance analysis of mobile network without any additional test equipment. Designed for seamless integration, it monitors 4G and 5G network connectivity, capturing layer 1 through layer 3 signaling to assess public and private mobile networks. Optimized for drones, IoT, and any devices with embedded communication modules, XCAL-Emb operates efficiently in space-restricted and low-power environments. It continuously tracks connectivity events, handovers, and performance metrics, ensuring reliable data collection with minimal impact on device functionality. With XCAL-Emb, industries can proactively monitor network conditions, optimize performance, and maintain seamless operations in mission-critical environments.